Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have the 2012 Audi R8 V10. Now I will be stepping outside. It's just very windy, so the walk around I can't talk because you'll never hear me. This one does have the Tronic, but it's actually a really good transmission, so I'm okay with that. 47,000 miles. It's also on summers, and it's 23 degrees with a massive wind chill. So without further ado, let's step outside. Take a look at this thing. R8 V10. Oh man. Just what a cool car. All right, let's take it for a ride. I'm big. All right. Get into gear, hit a paddle. I'm in sport, which is the best mode for this transmission. Let's go. So what I've learned from the Gen 1 and LP560 Gallardos, with this transmission, lift when you shift. It's gonna smooth it out a little bit. This is a single clutch transmission, so it's very much an automated manual, which makes me love it a little bit more. Downshifts, you don't have to blip, it does that automatically. But upshifts, you're gonna want to lift. Unless full throttle, you can keep it buried, but still. When this was launched, Audi was very adamant in calling it the R8 5.2. No, it's the R8 V10. I'm sorry. That's what it is. And this is essentially an Audi's version of the Gallardo. And in the used market, it's become a cheaper Gallardo. And I hear some people say the R8 is a sports car, not a supercar. I disagree, especially with the V10. The V10 is a supercar because I can't see the traffic light. If the top was down, I could see the traffic light. I cannot see the traffic light here. Shut you off. The amount of torque is just brilliant. This makes Lamborghini noises. This is a Lamborghini V10. And every time I see an R8, I think of Iron Man. I believe it was the original Iron Man movie came out, and it used the first gen R8, because I think that was in 08, and the R8 was a very, very hot thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.